Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the terminal where you have write permission. Once done, navigate to the parent directory so you create folders in the right place. Make sure you pick a clear naming pattern, for example folder 001 through folder 100, because consistent names help automation. Then pick how many folders you need and set a numeric variable or sequence. Now run the simplest command, a loop or a one-liner that iterates the sequence and makes directories. This gets the process going immediately. Next, you build the loop that generates each folder, and you should understand the differences between shells. For example, Bash uses brace expansion and print for 0 padding, while Windows CMD uses for /L with MD. Once you choose the syntax, include P or equivalent to avoid errors when parent folders are missing, and test with a small range first. Also make sure to handle name collisions and verify you have write permissions. This prevents interruptions and keeps the batch idempotent and safe. To finish, execute the full sequence once tests pass, and watch for speed and system load if creating thousands of folders. Once done, list or tree the parent directory to confirm everything created correctly. Use a timestamped log if you need a record. If something goes wrong, pause and check permissions, path typos, sequence bounds, and available disk space. Those are the common culprits. Finally, revert or remove any mistaken folders with a careful delete command after verifying names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.